Advertised as a tradition unlike any other, the Masters begins tomorrow morning as nearly 100 golfers tee off at Augusta National Golf Club in Augusta, Georgia. And over the years, the weather has often played a role in the storied history of this golf championship. The first Masters was held in late March of 1934, and in 3 of the first 6 years of the tournament, a round was postponed by the weather. These days, the final round is always scheduled for the second Sunday in April. Augusta is in eastern Georgia, about 100 miles from the Atlantic Ocean. Average highs in early April are in the mid-70s, average lows in the mid-40s. Average rainfall for the month is less than 3 inches, the third lowest of any month. April is a transition time in Georgia. The main storm track has moved well to the north, and it's too early for the frequent thunder of summer. The Masters is steeped in traditions, such as the green jacket that goes to the winner. But Augusta National also embraces state-of-the-art methods for keeping the course looking great. For example, beneath each green is a network of pipes and motors that pump oxygen into the soil. And if it starts to rain, the groundskeeper can switch the motors to vacuum mode and suck water off the greens so the putting surfaces can still be fast even in wet conditions. The system was pioneered at Augusta National and now hums away beneath other elite courses such as Pebble Beach. There's more high-tech beneath the fairways, where the irrigation system is wired to on-site weather equipment. When a storm gets spotted on radar, any sprinklers that are on automatically shut off until after the rain passes. Pro golf tournaments are spread over 4 days, so there's plenty of time for weather to interfere. Still, in a third of the Masters, there's been no rain or just a trace. But in 9 of the last 14 years, play at some point was held up by the weather. There weren't any delays in 2007, but the weekend was cold with wind chills in the 40s and the winning score tied for the highest on record, 1 over par. Occasionally, weather pushes the final round back to Monday, but the last time that happened was almost 30 years ago. Augusta National was one of the most picturesque courses on tour. The course was built on the former site of a nursery where many trees and plants had been imported from other countries. Over the years, more than 80,000 plants of more than 350 varieties have been added. In fact, each hole on the course is named for its distinctive plant. Number 8, for example, is yellow jasmine, while number 14 is Chinese fir. This year won't be quite as spectacular as past years because many of the colorful azaleas that dominate the course are already past bloom because it's been unusually warm the past few months in Georgia, just like here. I lived in Georgia for 3 years, and while there, realized one of my lifelong dreams to attend the Masters. It was only a practice round, but it was a thrill just being on site. Looks like showers and thunderstorms will be a threat at the Masters tomorrow and Friday. Fred will have our extended forecast next.